everybody, I have the Syncwire tire inflator, portable air compressor. Comes with a big LCD gauge. It's got double speed, ultra compact inflation, simple one press mode selection. It's got a free premium tire valve caps, multi-function with LED lights and power bank, portable air pump with organized storage bag, comprehensive warranty and support package. It comes with nice package and nice carrying bag here. It's twice the faster. It's got 150 psi max. It's got 5 modes for car, motorcycle, bike, and balls. Built-in LED light for emergency, and it's got a Type-C charging, and it charges very fast with the cable, as you can see here. Type-C charging is very fast. And here's the other extra accessories you have, and those will come free for your tires for your car. You could actually get this, as you can see, you could get this at Amazon. The package includes your portable air pump, air hose, valve needle, bicycle valve nozzle. Comes with the instructions that you can see here. You know, it's got the power point right in the the power right in the middle. It's got a fan. Here's an extra USB, and it comes with you know, that's where you connect the USB on it, and it works perfect. I really like this one because, you know, you'll be able to actually it's small and you could carry it anywhere, and you could for emergencies you could take it anywhere when you travel, and you could inflate those tires right away. You know, the gauges of this, it's like awesome. Look at that. Works perfect. Here's the LED light, and that's for emergencies. And it's got also the flashing light. And as you can see there, you have the multiple settings right there. Nice, it works perfect. I really like it, and I'm gonna demonstrate you. I'm gonna put it to work right now. I'm gonna inflate some tires, you know, and this works perfect. Stay tuned, and don't forget to see the link. I'll have the link so you guys can see it, and you guys check it out. So here we have the I turn it on, have it on car mode. I'm setting up my PSI, and you know, there it is. That's the car mode, and you know, it's got a flashlight, so I'm turning on the flashlight so we can see. And then that's for emergencies. This thing comes very handy, especially if you're in trouble in the road. You can actually take this out and, you know, get some help with this. Somebody will see it in the dark. There's a bike mode, bob mode, and that's for inflating anything else. And then that's how you press it there, and you select your PSI, you know, 34, and you connect it, and this thing works perfect. Let's try it out. Don't forget to subscribe, And then I'm gonna put a link for this so you can actually get a good discount. Thank you.